better than meat. Why didn't I know this recipe before? Today I am going to teach you how to prepare a delicious alternative to meat, cabbage and onion slides. Let's start by cutting a cabbage. As you can see, first I remove the center and then select about 750 grams of the cabbage to chop it finely. Now, I take it to a pan, covering it with water and adding a pinch of salt for flavor. We'll cook it on the stove for about 10 minutes or until cooked through, making sure it's tender but firm. While the cabbage is cooking, let's prepare the onions. I take 2 medium onions and chop them finely. It is a process that requires patience and care, especially to avoid tears. In a frying pan, I heat a splash of oil and then add the onion. The key is to cook it over medium heat, stirring constantly so that it browns evenly. After a few minutes, when the onions are starting to take color, it is the perfect time to add 3 cloves of well-crushed garlic. I cook the mixture until the onions are golden brown, then remove them from the heat. This slow cooking process allows the onions to release all their flavor, perfectly complementing the cabbage. Let's go back to the cabbage. Once cooked, I will strain it very well to remove all the water. This step is crucial to ensure that our torrejas are not watery. You can use your hands to squeeze and extract all the liquid. Next, I will place the cabbage in a large bowl and add the already cooked onions. Now it's time to add the eggs. I break 2 eggs and add them to the mixture. To season, I add salt to taste, a little pepper, some paprika, and half a cup of flour. I will mix well until all the ingredients are perfectly integrated, looking for a homogeneous consistency that will allow us to easily form the torrejas. It's time to shape them. I will take portions of the mixture and place them in a pan with oil over low heat. Here, the secret is to cook the torrejas slowly, so that they brown well on both sides, acquiring a golden color and a crunchy texture on the outside, but soft on the inside. I dedicate this special recipe to Miriam Jasmina Martinez, who follows us from the United States. While I cook the torrejas, I make sure to turn them carefully so that they cook evenly. Pay attention to the golden color they are acquiring. It is a sign that they are looking perfect. Once ready, I will remove them from the heat and prepare the sauce that will give them the final touch. I use half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, to which I add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I add a clove of chopped garlic, the juice of half a lemon, salt to taste, and a little pepper. I mix everything until I achieve a smooth and homogeneous sauce. I would like to know where they are watching us from. Leave me a comment to say hi to you in our next recipe, and here you have it. Our delicious recipe with cabbage and onion is ready to be enjoyed. Look how delicious it turned out. It's time to take a bite of this wonderful creation. It truly is a unique culinary experience. Rate this recipe from 1 to 10 in the comments. I'm Maddie from Super Delicias. Until the next recipe.